Hi, thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome back to episode 1 of my Arduino tutorials. Today we'll be talking about the Arduino, how to get one, and how to download the Arduino software. I'll be leaving timestamps to these sections of the video in the description, so you can always check that out. Also, if you're watching on my website, don't forget to check beneath the video for the notes I'll be leaving you guys. If you're watching on YouTube, you can always check out my website for the notes. I talk about the website more in the video, seanpaul.org. You can check it out because I leave a lot of notes for those of you who might not even understand fully from the video, just to give you a bit more information, I guess. So you can always check on my website too. I'll see you guys in the video. This is the Arduino microcontroller. It's the brain of your project. This is what sends instructions to control electronic components connected to it. It also reads and processes information for desired output. These pins on the Arduino are the digital pins. They are used for controlling electronic components and can also be used to communicate with those connected electronic devices. These are your power pins. Now, wherever you see G and D on your Arduino is the ground pin. That's where you connect your negative wire to complete your circuit. The VIN pin can be used to power your board. You can use it to provide 7 to 12 volts to your Arduino board. The 3.3 volts and 5 volt pins are used to power external components. These are analog pins and they are used for reading analog values. We'll talk more about them in this series, so you don't need to worry too much about them right now. Anyways, those are the important parts for now. I'll leave a link in the description for those of you on YouTube, so you can get an Arduino kit. That's this right here, which comes with the Arduino board and a lot of other components for your projects. For those of you watching on my website, I'll leave a link on the homepage and just beneath this video also, so you can get it too. I actually recommend watching on my website because I upload a lot of resources. I mean, a lot of notes, my personal notes, so you can learn more about the Arduino. Just in case you don't understand from the video, I just upload a lot of other information with it. So if you don't get anything in the video, you can just always refer to the notes for anything you don't understand. Just visit the Growth Hub at seanpaul.org to access all our resources. Now that that's out of the way, the next step is downloading the Arduino software, where we can write our code to control our machines. To download the Arduino software, open your web browser right here and then enter Arduino IDE. Enter, and then the first thing that pops up. Alright, this is the official Arduino website, and for over here at download options, right here, you can see we have an option for Windows 10 and newer, Linux, Mac OS, a lot of options. You scroll down a bit and you can see options for Windows 7 and newer, Linux, Mac OS. So we also have over here previous releases, so you can download older versions of the Arduino IDE. But what I'm going to do is go back here and right here, Windows 10 and new. I'm on Windows 11, so this is the perfect one for me. Right here, just download. And over here, it starts downloading the Arduino IDE. That's the software we'll be using to run our code to control our machines. Right here, it's almost done. Alright, it's done. So open file. Alright, I agree. Next, install. Just like that, it's installing. Alright, and just like that, we're done. Alright, come here, click on finish. It also creates this shortcut so you can have it on your desktop. It's opening. Alright. Now this is some code I wrote a while back. So this is it. Let me show you how it is when you first open it. All right, so this is what you are going to see. This is what you normally see. It might download some stuff in the app, but this is typically what you see. In the next episode, we're going to go through the stuff you see here. So yeah, that's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next one.